Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to invert an image in Canva using the flip tool. It's a simple trick that can make your designs look a lot more dynamic. Start by uploading your own photo, or choose one from Canva's image library. Drag it onto the canvas and place it in the center. Now add a second image beside the first one. This helps demonstrate how flipping can make images interact with each other. Click on the image you want to invert. At the top toolbar, you'll see the flip button. This is where the magic happens. You can flip the image horizontally to create a mirror effect or vertically to turn it upside down. Both options give you different creative results. In this example, I'll flip the image horizontally so the two pictures face each other. This is a great way to add balance or symmetry to your design. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can invert images in Canva to create eye-catching effects. Give it a try in your next project and see how it transforms your design